Hi folks, it's William with Lodestone, here with another quick tip for you. Now today's quick tip comes to us from Adobe InDesign. And in this case, I have a parts catalog that I'm working on. Now, currently I only have one page, but think about having 10 pages, 50 pages, several hundred pages of parts listed in a parts catalog. So when I start stylizing that text, I need to be able to apply my styles to the text. Now, that's fine if I am entering the data myself manually. But what if I'm importing that data from another source, maybe from a text document or a Word document? So there's where things can start to get a little out of hand. Now, I have got just the one page here, and I want to stylize all of this content very, very rapidly. I've already gone through the process of creating a couple of paragraph styles here. The first paragraph style is called product title. Now, it is going to stylize the first line in each of my product listings here. And those listings are going to contain the item name and a part number. And we can see up here that they have been styled. They have a little bit larger text, a little bit more bold text, and then the part number itself is actually a completely different color. Now, those two items are on the same line, they're in the same paragraph. Then I follow that with another paragraph that includes the description. And this very first item in my catalog has already been stylized using those two styles. Now, even the part number, the green text there, that is using a character style, and that has been embedded inside of the product title. So that will be applied anytime I use this product title paragraph style. So if I wanted to stylize the rest of this text, I don't want to take the time to click in the next item and then apply the product title and then click in its description and apply the product description. What I really want to do is do that automatically. So how do we set that up? Well, first, I have to put a little relationship between these two paragraph styles. Now you can have more paragraph styles if you need. Let's say you had maybe a third or fourth paragraph in here and the text on those are maybe a little different. That's fine. You can add those styles to this next step. So what I want to do is I want to start with the very first style that's being applied in my catalog entries, and that's going to be the product title. So if I right mouse click here in the paragraph styles on my first paragraph style that I want to use, product title, I'm going to edit that, and I am going to choose this option here, next style. I'm going to set that to product description. What this is going to do is it's going to apply that style to the very next paragraph. I'll tell this OK, and I'm going to repeat that process for product description. When I edit that one, I want to set its next style to the very next paragraph style, which is going to be product title. So they're kind of going back and forth. But as I said, you can use multiple styles here. You just kind of start your way from the first style that's being applied all the way to the last. When you get to the last style, make sure its next style is the first style again. You're creating a round robin effect. All right, so we've got this round robin going on here. Now applying that gets really kind of confusing, because you would think that if you apply the product title style, it would automatically apply the next style, but it does not, at least not in InDesign. So how do we do that? Well, what we want to do here is I'm just going to highlight the text that I need to format here. I'm going to go over to my paragraph styles panel and I'm going to right mouse click on the first style that I want to apply, which is going to be my product title. In there, I can see that I can apply the style. But if I look a little further, I can apply this style, product title, then the next style. And I also have this extra option here to clear any overrides. So that's what I'm going to choose. And just like that, the rest of my page has been formatted. So there you have it. Using the next style to rapidly format massive amounts of text on multiple pages in things like a parts catalog. To learn more about Adobe products and e-learning products, be sure to visit us on the web at lodestone.com.